If you have like massive amounts of dirt and stuff, that's not what this is good for, okay? Then you need to go to the car wash and handle that. But as far as everyday picking up cereal, flour, spills, whatever, this thing is perfect. And guys, not even playing, I literally ordered this in 2012. It has a much longer area here. It's a 16 volt lithium battery. It just has like a charger that, you know, you just walk up and there you go. So it stands. This literally is on my counter at all times. And then you can tell that it's charging at blue light, just a regular 2-prong plug. Completely cordless when you're using it. It has this little scrub tool. I love that it's on board, right? And then if you need extra reach, like you need to get in like between the car seats or whatever, literally just go like this, press down and pull out and see how much reach you get. It's like really tiny nooks and crannies. And guys, this thing is really old, so that's why it looks kind of beat up, because it is. Done, you just press it down, push it in like that. Now with respect to emptying it, so there are buttons on the side, so you're just gonna press the 2 buttons on the side like this, and you can see, it pops out. And there you go, you just take this to the trash can, you dump it out. There is a filter in there. Back to the filter, you press this, and then this comes out. And this, you can order replacement filters. You just, oof, you can tell I need to clean mine. You can rinse this out. So you just, yeah, I know, it's dirty. You just go like this, snap it back into place. I mean, what else could you ask for in a vacuum? It works. The charge lasts pretty much forever. I've never been cleaning something and gone, oh, the power died. That's never happened. It's about maybe 4 pounds, 20 inches this way, about 5 inches across the base. And it stands 16-ish, 17 inches tall. It's a great little tool. I don't know what we do without it because I have had it for so long. I mean, I literally have used this thing probably 1,000 times. So I absolutely love it. Couldn't more highly recommend it. I hope you guys found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.